Welcome to Bollywood Gallery. We are introducing Hollywood actor Chris Evans' family. Christopher Robert Evans is an American actor, best known for his role as Captain America in the Marvel Cinematic Universe series of films. He was born on 13th June 1981 in Boston, Massachusetts, US. His father, Bob, is a dentist. Evans' ancestry includes Italian and Irish. His mother, Lisa Evans, is an artistic director at the Concord Youth Theatre. His parents divorced in 1999. Evans has two sisters, Carly Evans and Shanna Evans. Evans has a brother, actor Scott Evans. Reportedly, Chris Evans was in a relationship with the actress Diana Agron, actress Jessica Biel, actress Christina Ricci, American Cuban model Vida Guerra, American television personality Christine Cavallari, actress Camilla Bell, actress Amy Smart, actress Minka Kelly, actress Sandra Bullock, actress Lily Collins, and actress Elizabeth Olsen. Evans began his career with roles in television series such as In Opposite Sex in 2000, following appearances in several teen films, including 2001's Not Another Teen Movie. He gained attention for his portrayal of Marvel Comics character Human Torch in 2005's Fantastic Four and its sequel, Fantastic Four: Rise of the Silver Surfer. Evans made further appearances in film adaptations of comic books and graphic novels TMNT, Scott Pilgrim vs. the World, and Snowpiercer. He portrayed Captain America in several MCU films, namely Captain America: The First Avenger, Captain America: The Winter Soldier, and Captain America: Civil War, and the ensemble films The Avengers, Avengers: Age of Ultron, Avengers: Infinity War, and Avengers: Endgame. His work on the Marvel series established him as one of the world's highest paid actors. Aside from comic book roles, Evans starred in the drama Gifted, the mystery film Knives Out, and the television miniseries Defending Jacob. He made his directorial debut in 2014 with the romantic drama Before We Go, which he also produced and starred in. Evans made his Broadway debut in the 2018 revival of Kenneth Lonergan's play Lobby Hero, which earned him a Drama League Award nomination. So friends, if you want to watch your favorite celebrities video, comment below and don't forget to subscribe Bollywood Gallery.